still producing tornadoes underneath there.
They're not so bad, I guess it's nobody.
Right, but when you don't, and you run from them as fast as you can.
Oh, jeez.
Moderate risk.
Yeah, we know what happened on this day.
Yeah.
Let me try to go forward to the part with the May 24th, this is pretty good.
Keep them out of the chips.
Now, that was Roger Hill and Company who were in Joplin just as the tornado was getting there?
I thought that was Jeff Petrowski.
No, Jeff was there too, but I think Roger and Company were in
They were
front
there,
of it.
but I think they barely, I don't know if they saw it or they saw the
We were
aftermath
there
immediately.
too, F5, we were there.
You know, Grace can come up.
No.
Well,
She, I don't think she said she wouldn't be able to come, but
She said what?
she said she wouldn't be able to come.
Oh, really? Why?
She was trying to come, but she couldn't.
And there's a big thing like mile wide tornado. That's looking south at Calumet towards I-40 northeast of El Reno.
We were down over here, and we had it like prohibited vehicles. So, yeah.
Now I think here, if you listen, you'll hear the sound of it.
On the radar, so they said, okay, we're out of here.